So this is the last part. I'm just going to do a part 8. I'm not going to show you the rest, but that's cooked. I actually ended up taking this off of the heat and just let it cool down and keep cooking the vegetables at the same time, because as it cools it actually keeps cooking because it's still hot. So you just have to use your initiative when you cook, basically, to be a good cook. So I just took a piece of capsicum out to test it, and it's firm, but it's soft as well. So that's actually the perfect firmness. So as I said in the last part, this will thicken up as it cools, and it'll keep actually evaporating as well at the same time. And the fat in the chicken will actually solidify the sauce as well, because it seeps out into the sauce, obviously, as it cooks. So that'll all emulsify and be really delicious. So I'm not going to show you the decanting into containers. I think you can figure that out yourself. But similar to my other videos, yeah, cheers.